Welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, we're going to make some cucumber salad.
Hey, I'm Kevin. And I'm Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio. You're about to get cooking with Frankie and Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Cucumber salad. I don't know about you guys, but I personally feel that it's a forgotten treasure at a barbecue. Everybody thinks barbecue macaroni potato salad, right? I haven't had cucumber salad in a long time. So this is cucumber salad with tomatoes using the Zarlingo Italian season. Guys, I'm telling you, this Italian season is a game changer. Link in the description, guys. Check it out. Tell Dino the Meatball sent you. Hey, you need 1 red onion, 3 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, some basil, and some parsley. I like to use the Italiano parsley, right? You know why I like to use it? Because I'm Italian, that's why. Hey! Alright guys, you want to peel 3 cucumbers. Use this, huh? Look at that, boom, see that? Nice and nice, huh? You want to cut them about 1/4 of an inch. You don't want them too thick, you don't want them too thin. This is a 1, 2, 3 quick, easy salad. Like I said, it's a forgotten treasure. Tomatoes. Now your tomatoes, you want to cut them in wedges. If you can get the stem off, I got stem off, to cut your tomato in wedges. It's very simple. Cut in half, you cut the halves in half, you cut that half in half, and then I'm gonna fight it and go one more time. Boom. See that? So pretty much you're gonna cut it in eighths. Guys, again, this is I'm gonna call it a hybrid cucumber salad. It's a cucumber salad mixed with tomato salad. It's gonna be great. What's not to like, right? I like using red onion. It has a better taste, in my opinion, and a better color and better eye appeal. You don't want it too thin, you don't want it too thick, because you want to taste them, right? With the garlic, we're going to use 2 nice sized cloves. There's one right there, and one right there. Wash, chop it really nice and fine, right? Mince it nice and nice. They take some parsley, optional. I like it. I'm gonna just chop just a little bit off the top. You know how to do, you roll it, pinch it all together, and then just run your knife right through it. Now for the basil, remember what Billy Whatever said. Now Billy Whatever from 3 Shades of Whatever, hey? What did he say about the basil?
Basil goes, never chop.
Never chop.
Never chop your basil, you tear the basil. Here, you don't want to leave the flavor on the chopping board in the knife.
So what I'm gonna do for Billy, we're just gonna break it up. Break it right up. Your basil, you got your basil in there, right? We're gonna get some salt. Nice pinch of salt. Okay, now, the Zarlingos. You wanna put a nice pinch of the Zarlingos. What? You don't have the Zarlingos yet? After this video, go get it. Link in the description, guys. Zarlingos Italian seasoning. Fix everything up to the next notch. Boom. Put some of that in there. You're gonna love it. And again, personal preference, how much you want. You want a lot of Zarlingo love? You put a lot. You want a little bit. Put a little bit. Huh?
No. You insulted him a little bit. You got a little out of order yourself.
No, I didn't insult him. I didn't insult him.
A little bit.
Let's put some pepper in. Fresh cracked pepper, yeah. Now what you need is a 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar. Then you need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some vegetable oil in. Fill it halfway with vegetable oil. Then I'm going to hit it with the olive oil. And that gives me my quarter cup. Then I'm just going to pour that in. You get your hands and mix. And mix. Mix. Mixy. Mix. You got everything all mixed up. Now what you do is you want to cover it. Okay? Cover it really nice. Like you're talking to a baby. Right? Very nice. Cover the whole thing. Okay? There we go. Now cover the whole thing like that. Now what we're going to do is stick it in the fridge for 2 hours. For 2 hours. And all the flavors come together. So you're back in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
I couldn't wait till the 2 hours were over. So you play some NHL on the Xbox, right? So anyway, 2 hours is over. Zarlingo Italian seasoning right here. Link is in the description. Go get it, guys. I'm telling you, game changer all the way. So let's take a look. Or taste. The freshness of the cucumber, the basil. Now let's get an onion, cucumber, and a tomato. Let's get the trinity. Let's see, all together. Oh man. Get that basil with the zarlingos. Oh my God. Hey, Billy, whatever. You're right. You do get more of a basil taste when you break it up. Hats off to you, pal. All right. I'm telling you. This is awesome. You got your cucumber salad and tomato salad all in one, guys. Know what I'm missing? I'm missing 2 things. I'm missing some fresh mozzarella and a nice roll. Put this on a roll. Oh, I can eat it. Oh, forget about it, guys. I'm telling you, guys, bring this to your next barbecue. You're going to be like, what is this, guys? And if you want to play around with it, put a little elbow macaronis in it. Boom, hey, elbow, But anyway, guys, with that being said, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on TikTok. Follow us on TikTok. Also, guys, check out my guys. BillRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the bad mothers around. Also, guys, I want to let you know a little secret. Cooking with Frankie Meatball stickers. Email me your address and I'll send you a sticker. You can put it on your car, put it on your head, but you got to take the back off. Take a sticker. Take a sticker. Everybody wants a sticker. It's madness. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.